Hello and welcome to 3Dora TV. I am Vishakha Thakur and you are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading higher in the beginning of the week with prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and certain large cap cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins collecting gains. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, was trading near $68,000 levels. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.8% at 87,300 points. Interestingly, last week Bitcoin saw a sharp correction after hitting a fresh all-time high. Hotter than expected US inflation readings led the dip in prices as the key barometer of Federal Reserve decision-making tool suggested that the central bank may deal with an interest rate cut. The meeting later this week. Meanwhile, Bitcoin received support from a JP Morgan report that argued the top token became investors' darling in recent times. It said, adjusting for volatility, Bitcoin's allocation in investor portfolios has already outpaced that of gold. However, Bitcoin has a 3.7 times greater allocation compared to billion, considering the net inflow of $9 billion into Bitcoin ETFs since their inception. Apparently, the Bitcoin ETF market size has a potential to reach $62 billion if gold is used as a benchmark, analysts said. Furthermore, last week the crypto-tracked futures suffered over $800 million losses, the second largest figure this year. Longs or bets on higher prices suffered $660 million in liquidations, likely contributing to the sharp downturn. In other news, VanEck, the global investment firm whose Bitcoin trust is one of the top 10 Bitcoin ETFs that became available earlier this year, believes an Ether ETF could generate massive demand. Their portfolio managers believe that the market size for a spot ETH ETF could be as large as the Bitcoin ETFs. The global crypto market cap was at $2.56 trillion mark, increasing 1.7% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume decreased by 22% to $120 billion. Moving on, Solana network activity surpassed Ethereum over the weekend, reaching $3.52 billion and are surpassing the daily Ethereum network volume by over $1.1 billion. Solana's recent gains have allowed it to overtake Binance's BNB coin, becoming the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap at $88.5 billion. Going forward, CoinSwitch, a cryptocurrency exchange and aggregator platform, is set to expand into wealth tech services in the upcoming quarter. The company's diminished scale is due to industry challenges, with trading volumes remaining below the 2022 peak. While the Book of Meme, a meme coin built on the Solana blockchain, has experienced a significant price surge, reaching over 145% overnight and 220% earlier. This surge can be attributed to Binance's announcement, which has introduced the USTSM BOM perpetual contract on Binance futures, offering leverage of up to 50x. US stock futures traded higher as market participants focused on guidance on monetary policy from the Federal Reserve this week. Futures tied to the S&P 500 rose 0.3%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures hovered near the flat line, while Nasdaq 100 futures traded higher by 0.6%. Bitcoin was trading at $67,720, up by 1.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.4%, trading at $3,555. While talking about Solana Soul token, it was up by 11% and was trading at $210. Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.1% to trade at $0.67. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $61.6, higher by 10%. Shiba Inu was trading up by 4.5%. Polkadot was up by 3.3% to trade at $10.2. However, Binance's BNB token was down by 1.3% to trade at $564, and Polygon's Matic token was trading down by 0.6% to trade at $1.1. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2% at $0.14, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.61, down by 1%. So that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3worstv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
VanEck, the global investment firm whose Bitcoin trust is one of the top 10 Bitcoin ETFs that became available earlier this year, believes an Ether ETF could generate massive demand. The portfolio managers believe that the market size for spot ETH ETF could be as large as the BTC ETFs. While they also believe that ETH could make more sense as an asset for more people than Bitcoin. However, the likelihood of SEC approval for spot ETH products is being determined. Bloomberg analysts recently lowered the chances of regulatory approval to 30%. However, VanEck's portfolio managers believe the odds are 50%. Wealth management firm Cetera has introduced a new policy allowing the use of spot Bitcoin ETFs in brokerage accounts. The approved Bitcoin ETFs include Invesco Galaxy Bitcoin ETF, Franklin Bitcoin ETF, Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, and BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust. Well, the policy also includes education and resources for financial professionals to help clients incorporate spot Bitcoin ETFs into their portfolios. As of February 2024, around 50 million people held BTC with over $6 billion recorded in spot Bitcoin ETF daily trading volume so far. Cetera is one of the few wealth management firms embracing Bitcoin ETFs and prioritizing developing guidance to help financial professionals implement these products in client portfolios. Bitcoin ETFs in the US experienced a significant drop in net inflows with a net inflow of $132 million on March 14, the lowest level in 8 trading days, and an 80% fall from March 13. While the total flow of funds into ETFs was $390 million, with Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF seeing $257 million in outflows. VanEck Bitcoin Trust ETF and Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund recorded inflows of $13.8 million and $13.7 million respectively. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF recorded the largest inflows at $345 million. The cumulative net inflow into the US spot Bitcoin ETF remains significant, nearing the $12 billion mark after 44 days of trading.